How are you, students? Today we are going to discuss our second history chapter, Growth of Indian Nationalism. The growth of Indian nationalism, if you are going to say, just we start from the revolt of 1857. The revolt of 1857 is a great impact in history of India, beginning of national awakening. There are many factors that lead the growth of nationalism. Among them, two main factors are there. One is there, the factors to introduce Western education in India, and other is their development of transport and communication. These are encouraged to Indian. Which Indians? Those are educated Indians. The educated Indians motivate the public to remove social evils and religions superstitions. Among them, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Keshav Chandra Sen, mostly they played a vital role to reform Indian society. If you are going to say about the Raja Ram Mohan Rai, the Raja Ram Mohan Rai removed so many social evils with the help of Lord William Bentinck, as is Sati Pratha, and he uplifted the widow remarriage and give too much more importance to women's education. And Dayanand Saraswati, he was the founder of Arya Samaj, and he also played most important role to change the social evils. And Keshav Chandra Sen, he was also in support of widow remarriage and also in the women's education. And next we see Vivekanand. Vivekanand and Mrs. Annie Besant. Vivekanand and Mrs. Annie Besant, they fostered the feelings of self-respect, self-reliance and patriotism among Indians. To fulfill the intellectual needs, the Europeans started printing press in India. And at that time, those educated Indians were there, they realized about it and they start releasing journals of their own. Through their journals and newspapers, they put forward the demand of political reformation, economic and social changes. The educated Indians formed the political association, and as they became the torch bearer of freedom movement, just to show the path to all Indians to go ahead for freedom struggle. Indian National Congress was founded in 1885 by Allan Octavian. He was a retired British official. The Indian National Congress was formed for welfare and the interest of the Indians, and it played vital part arousing national feelings and consciousness in the country. So he worked for the He worked for the welfare of Indians and fought for the self-rule of Indians. He was the Dada Bhai Naoroji. This was the growth of nationalism in Indians, where the particular and vital role played by the Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Dayanand Saraswati, Keshav Chandra Sen, and particularly we can say the Vivekananda and Mrs. Annie Besant. Today to dismiss. Thank you. Try to read the chapter first and hear the videos, and again once more you read the chapter and try to be clear the facts. Thank you.